Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a boss look with this Boss Mood palette. So first I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with this dip brow pomade, and please pay no mind to that short brush that I'm using. I couldn't find the normal brush. Anyway, I'm just going to continue filling my eyebrows, and I know they're already thick and my eyebrows have this tendency to start crip walking, but I'm trying to tame them and I haven't gotten my eyebrows done, so it's kind of a hard work. So when I'm finished, I'm just going to clean them up and make them look halfway decent. I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 46 to clean up my eyebrows. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty primer. Today we're giving you Fenty foundation, Fenty face, Fenty base. We're doing it all with Fenty, well, except for the concealer. I'm going to use my Fenty foundation in the shade 440. This is really my summer shade and it's getting cooler now, so it doesn't match my skin as perfect as it used to. But I'm going to use it anyway because it's still a bomb foundation. I'm taking that same Colourpop No Filter Concealer and highlighting under my eyes and the high points of my face. This is by far one of my favorite concealers. I don't know how it snuck up on me or how I'm like the last person on earth to find out about this, but this is really one of my favorite concealers. It's almost a full coverage concealer. Like, it just does everything. In this video, I used a lot of concealer. I was trying something new. I didn't particularly like it, but I was trying something new. I'm using the black Opal foundation stick in the shade Black Walnut to contour. It runs a bit olivey for my taste, and in the future, I'm going to get something a little bit more rich to really sculpt the face, because we want the snatching to begin. I'm going to start blending everything out except for the concealer underneath my eyes because I want that to set for a little bit longer to give it more coverage. So I'm going to blend out the highlight on my chin and my forehead and then go in for my contour and then blend out under my eyes. When I blend my contour, I like blending up into my temples. I feel like it gives a more seamless look and allows the concealer and the contour to blend together without giving it that harsh line.
Double A Productions.
After I'm done blending that out, I'm going to take the Bakerie flower powder in the shade yellow to set under my eyes and wherever else that I've highlighted. After I'm done setting under my eyes, I'm going to start baking a little bit. I'm really oily. I have really oily skin, so I want to kind of control that oil before it starts to snap back and kick me in the face. Because I have enough oil to supply your local fast food restaurants enough to fry their french fries and their chicken wings, I'm gonna go ahead and bake around my nose area because that's where oil starts to break out the fastest. Using the same setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and put some around my eyes to act as a barrier for the eyeshadow that I'm about to use. And I'm going to add some underneath my eyes as well to catch any fallout. Here is a Boss Move palette, and here's what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, look at all those great colors. For my transition color, I'm layering on the color FOTD, which is a matte red, and then I'm just going to blend it out. To deepen up my crease, I'm going to use the shade Power Slayer and blend that into FOTD. Using a detail crease brush, I'm going to lay the color Transformer in my outer V and smoke it out. I'm going to use my finger and apply the shade Color Persona, which is a metallic cranberry, to my lid. Of course, there's areas my finger can't reach, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush to kind of clean it up and bring more color in. There wasn't much fallout, so I'm just going to brush off this excess powder, and then I'm going to bronze. I'm taking this Covergirl pressed powder foundation in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to use that as my bronzer, and I'm going to basically just set wherever I put my contour. I'm using Artist Couture and Jackie Aina's Diamond Glow powder in the shade LaBronze, and it is the bomb. I mean, this is by far one of my favorite highlighters. I'm using Ellarie and Colourpop's lip liner in the shade Ellarie to kind of do an ombre effect with my lips and the lipstick that I'm going to use, which is also in the shade Ellarie. Alright y'all, it's time to take this bonnet off, and boom, she's snatched. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.